Hello everyone, greetings to you all. Welcome to my channel. So on today's video I'll be working on this standing unit air conditioner. So guys, after charging gas on this system, and they have to call me back on this system that this unit is not cooling anymore. So when I check there, I have to put in another gas in the system for me to check if there is anywhere is leaking. So I have to check if there is anywhere is having leakage on the line. So I have to check on this coupling that connect to the outdoor unit. So after checking, I find out that there is no leakage on this unit. I have to just check if I will still see anywhere is leaking on this line, because I have already charged gas on this unit before and I still got a complaint about this unit that is still not cooling. So after more checking, and I check this is the outdoor unit, this is the outdoor coupling. I check it if I will see any leakage on this unit. I could not see anywhere is leaking on this unit. So I decided to dismantle the unit so that I could check the evaporator unit. So I have to decide, because there is no leakage here, so I have to dismantle the unit. So this after dismantling the unit. So this is the evaporator coil. As you can see, that's the sign of oil that I saw on the evaporator coil. So look at how oil is on this evaporator coil. So this is how I find out that there is a leakage on this evaporator coil. So what I have to do, I have to go further in checking on where is leaking. So this after dismantling the unit. As you can see, I dismantle everything on this unit, so I'll use the opportunity to service the system. So this is the evaporator fan, and that's the fan motor and the panel you're seeing there. So after this, I'll be taking it to check more leakage for me to find out where is leaking on this evaporator, which you'll be seeing on this video. So this all this is the unit that I dismantle. This is the outdoor unit, as you're seeing there. This is the outdoor unit. So I have to dismantle everything to be sure there is no leakage, and if there is any leakage anywhere, I have to find out and I have to weld it. So this is the unit you're seeing here. Look at the evaporator. I will be flushing this evaporator. So this is all the unit. So look at the standing unit casing. It's remaining only the casing here. So I'll be servicing this standing unit air condition, and I will still be checking for leakage. So this is all the unit. So after this video, after here, I'll be taking it and put pressure in the evaporator unit so that I will know where it's leaking, so that I will brace it. Alright guys, so here what I'm doing is to put gas inside the unit. I have to put gas inside the unit so that I will know exactly where is having leakage on the evaporator, so that I will brace it and the unit will be okay. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to put your own opinion under the comment section. So, and if it's the first time you're coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So what I want to do now is to put the evaporator inside the water so that anywhere is leaking it will indicate. So this is the water. This is where I put the water so that I will check where is leaking. So this is the way I normally check leakage on evaporator to detect where is leaking. So I'm still checking for the leakage. So guys, I find out where is leaking. So it's having much leakage on the evaporator, which I'll be showing you. So this is the way I was able to find out the leakage on this evaporator unit. So I don't know if there is any other way to check leakage on evaporator unit. If it's the same method you normally use, please put it under the comment section, and don't forget to share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you. So guys, I'm still checking on the line so that I will indicate it, so that whenever I want to weld it, I'll know the place that was leaking and I will end up to weld the unit. Five, six. Jesus. So guys, I'll be showing you where is having leakage on the evaporator. So guys, that's the leakage on the evaporator. As you can see, that's the leakage. So this is how I was able to find leakage on this standing unit, evaporator unit. So thank you for watching this video. On my next video, because I don't want this video to be too long, on my next video I'll be servicing this unit and I'll be brazing where it's leaking. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you everyone.